What up? This is Ryan Ferrier, and I wanted to personally welcome you to bootstrapmylife.com, where we're dedicated to helping you launch a life that matters. Question for you. Are you in the driver's seat of your life professionally? Do you have the ownership and control over the work you do that you'd like to have? If the answer is no, you're in the right place. I live and work in San Francisco, and here in Silicon Valley, people talk a lot about bootstrapping companies. What does it take with minimal resources to get a company off the ground and running? That's something I've experienced with. I've been a co-founder or early team member at 3 successful startups, and I've been fortunate enough to have companies acquired by Microsoft and Zynga. But the conversation that I want to have here is not what's it take to bootstrap a company, rather what's it take to bootstrap a person, or what's it take for you to get off the ground and running professionally so that you can launch your life that matters. Specifically, we want to help you do 3 things. 1, we want to help you find meaning in the work you do. We want you to wake up in the morning excited about how you're going to spend your day. 2, we want to help you create value for others and make a difference in the lives of others. You see, we're not just about personal fulfillment, we're also about service to others. And then 3, we want to help you build wealth and find financial freedom. That way you can more exclusively focus on finding meaning for yourself and creating value for others. So why am I so passionate about this? Because I believe in my heart of hearts that it's possible. I've seen it in my own life. You see, I'm not a Harvard MBA and I'm not some genius engineer. I actually started out as an administrative assistant. In fact, at 25, I was unemployed, broke, and really not sure what I was going to do with my life. I landed a job as an administrative assistant and then quickly got promoted into a management position, and then co-founded a startup where I served as COO until we sold that company to Zynga, and then ended up being an executive at a 3rd internet company. And in all my ventures, I was never the smartest guy, and I was never the most talented guy, but I was always really good at thinking strategically for what I wanted my life and work to look like, and what practical steps I would need to take to get there. That's why I started BML. BML is just a little acronym that we use for Bootstrap My Life. I wanted to create a blueprint to help others do the same. BML is about putting you in the driver's seat of your life professionally. We want to get you off the ground and running so that you can launch your life that matters, so that you can find meaning in the work you do, so you can create value for others, and so that you can build wealth and find financial freedom. But if that's something that you want, you're going to need to take action. You're going to have to actively decide to invest in yourself. You see, they don't teach this course in college, and your employer's not going to do it for you. When it comes to your success, nobody has more at stake than you do. And so you're going to have to take action. A good first step would be to sign up here on this page and join the Bootstrap community. It's completely free, and what you'll get is updates every time new training is available. In fact, when you sign up, we'll immediately get you started on your first training video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a framework that I like to call the Bootstrap Bullseye. We'll start by helping you identify some sort of purpose or greater meaning for why you're doing what you're doing. Then we'll take a look at developing a platform or just a venue or multiple venues through which you can create value for others. And then finally, we'll look at process. What are the systems, routines, and rituals that you need to put in place to keep you bootstrapping and building that platform and connecting to that purpose. Alright, that's all the time we have for this video. Sign up here on the page and we'll see you on the other side.